Hello and welcome. This meditation is this meditation is for the overachievers, the ones that always feel like they need to get something done, they constantly need to improve, they're not enough, they can always do more, be more, all of that. So, if this is you, close your eyes, let's take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in, out. Deep breath in and out. Keep breathing at your own natural rhythm. Notice how you're feeling right now in this moment. If you're stressed or hungry or tired, happy. What we feel is not important. What is important is the act of feeling itself. Just notice what is here. And you can just focus on your breath, or focus on a sensation in your body, a sound you may hear, a point of attention in front of you. And while you focus on one of those things, place the other part of your attention on the sound of my voice. I'll be talking a bit through this meditation today. This time is for you. I don't know how well you can hear that, but a bird was just yelling out, chirping out hard. Anyway. This is our time to rest. We deserve it. We're constantly going from one activity to the next. Oftentimes, fully booking our days, not wanting to waste, quote unquote, waste any part of our day. Hell, a lot of us are doing this meditation because we think that this is good for me too, and I can get better doing this. Just for this next 5-10 minutes, let's drop that. Drop all expectations. Everything we think we should be doing. And instead, let's let be here what is here. You may not believe it, but I will tell you, you are enough now. And you always have been. Regardless of what you have been told from others or yourself. You are a human being. And that right there is enough. We often put so much pressure on ourselves to succeed, especially in these modern times of social media and LinkedIn, and seeing what others are doing and where they're going and what they're achieving. We often feel behind. This pseudo sense of urgency. I need to do more. this point, you may notice thoughts come up, being distracted. That's okay. Don't beat yourself up. As best you can. Let even the beating yourself up be there without needing to do anything about it. Accept who you are and where you are at this stage in your life. We're just sitting here. You're allowed to sit for a few minutes. It'll be okay. What we must try to remember is that this habit of wanting to do more, be more, striving, always striving for that next thing, this is a habit within the mind. When you are in constant pursuit, that implies that you lack it in the first place. And while there's absolutely nothing wrong with setting goals and doing things, no, those things are great. Assuming that you truly want them and that the process of doing it gives you fulfillment. If you are stuck chasing for this false sense of security and identity and that I will feel better about myself if this happens, is when we go into this kind of dangerous cycle, if you will. Because like I said, the constant pursuit is a habit. And if you're always chasing for more, thinking that the next thing will get us to where we need to be, and the next thing I will feel like I'm enough, then that's a habit, and so it'll continue, and you will never feel like you are enough until you do feel like you are in this moment. Because this moment is all that we ever have. Whenever you do achieve that next thing, when that moment happens, it will be now. It can only ever be now. These words may conceptually make sense, yet it feels so distant for you to believe them. And that's completely understandable. I have struggled with this a long time myself, and I'm only now starting to get better at it, but I have to do this type of work consistently to remind myself, because it's easy to slip back into these patterns of I need to do more, I need to be more, I'm not enough. But if we start accepting who we are and start looking at the things we do and ask ourselves, are we doing this because we enjoy it? Because we falsely believe that we will feel better about ourselves down the road? Because as an overachiever, you know that your past accomplishments, whatever minor or major accomplishment you have had in the past, that sense of achievement or confidence in that activity wears off. It's always changing. You are enough. And you always have been. And you always will be. In the same way, you don't put the double standards on other people and you think, yeah, they're fine, they're doing their job, they're working, they're doing what they're supposed to. Yet we have a double standard on ourselves to be more than what we expect of a normal person to do. And it's okay to set yourself high standards, but is it because you want to? Because you're chasing a sense of security? All right. Thank you all for spending some time with me. I hope you found some of the insights and words that I've shared to be helpful. Know that you are not alone in this idea of the constant striving and feeling of lack. Those feelings in and of themselves are isolating feelings. It feels like it's only happening to us. It feels like we're the only ones going through this and we're the only ones struggling. This is not true. Not true at all. And take comfort in the fact that others are dealing with this as well. But together we can help each other get over these feelings of feeling like we're not enough. Because we are. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. If so, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thank you.